Greetings, truck owners. Be forewarned. Some of your worst nightmares are about to be brought to life as we delve between the covers of the Big Book of Trucking Scares. Today's terrifying tale is the exorbitantly expensive replacement parts scare. Our story begins, appropriately enough, with a starter motor, but soon becomes decidedly dark when the turn of a key reveals that the unfortunate component has died in mysterious circumstances. But wait, that's not the blood-curdling bit. The terrifying truth isn't fully realized until the truck owner is told the petrifying price of replacing the perished part. But if the truck had been an Isuzu, this scare could have been avoided thanks to Isuzu Care. Because with a range of high-quality truck parts at super competitive prices, Isuzu Best Value Parts remove the horror of high costs or dreary downtime. And if they're installed by an authorised Isuzu fitter, they come with a 1-year unlimited kilometre warranty. Isuzu Care for scare-free trucking.